everyone. Today's tutorial is about making a gig on Fiverr. For those who doesn't know about it yet, Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. Now for most of you who got used to signing up, or for those new users who have never had any account online, you can sign up using this and continue, or you can use the option to log in using this accounts. Okay, so as for me, for this tutorial I will use continue with okay. For this tutorial I will continue with Google. Okay, now coming from that page, when you log in, if you're a new user, you will see nothing here, so this would be empty. Now you will see this tab here, it's gigs. Okay, so I am on seller mode, so I get to see all of this. Now let's click on gig and create a new one. As mentioned earlier, I made a gig days ago in writing articles, and this is how it came out after. So all through the process of filling up all the information, you will have to show these information. Now your services will start with the basic, next is the standard, and the premium. Okay, so just for example, okay, these are the information for the scope of the basic offer, or the basic service rather. Now next is the standard, everything goes up and the specifications also adds up. Now you will be asked to provide documents or websites to prove your eligibility on the service that you are providing. Now you have to say something a little about yourself, your command and English level, and then this is how it shows to others. Okay, now